here it is, the official announcement of the worst kept sort of rumor. Hunter Lawrence is now a 450 rider. They did post on their Instagram today, along with this video, saying, quote, it's official, welcome to the 450 class, Hunter Lawrence. And it's kind of funny. This is the year of like TLD with the Ryder D Francesco signing little video, and this one where he, steals, quote unquote, his brother's bike and goes for a ride. It's funny. I prefer these a lot more than just like a plain press statement saying this person's doing this, moving on, thanks. But I don't know. I think it's going to be a good move for him, obviously being a little older than his brother, finally getting on the same level as him again instead of being a year behind. Do I think he's going to have a championship chance? Probably not. Let's be honest, with Jet right there, Chase and Eli and Cooper Webb. I mean, you have a pretty stacked 450 class right now, and I'm looking at Hunter as like a top 10 guy, top 5, maybe pushing for some podiums here and there, but I don't think he's really going to be a championship contender. We'll see what happens though, but in the comments below, you tell me. Go down there, tell me how well you think he's going to do. Are you excited to see him on the 450 instead of the 250? Whatever it is, go down in the comments. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helps me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I will see you all later. Peace.